Yesterday, I did an automated VO2 max test on this treadmill, which is called the Technogym Excite 900. After logging in with my band, I selected the Technogym Maximal test, which is a test to exhaustion, unlike the other tests, which sometimes are only sub-maximal tests, meaning they only go up to maybe zone 4. The test was divided into several phases or stages. Basically, the treadmill was flat, so the gradient was 0.0, and then it tried to hit me with different speeds. And so these different speeds basically then resulted in me getting different heart rates. So it adjusted the speed to match the heart rate zone it wanted me in. So here we can see that initially it wanted a heart rate of maybe 100, and then we see these different thresholds. Then we also see the different stages. Here, for example, we see a staging, not a staging change, but a stage change, and eventually it landed in the last zone, which then increased the speed by either 0.7 or 0.8 kilometers per hour every maybe 30 seconds. And this eventually led me to a heart rate of, in this case, we cannot really see it, but the heart rate eventually did reach 177. So we can take a look at the activity detail in the Technogym app, which it was synchronized to because I basically logged in with this band I have. Now the heart rate at the end was 177, and so we can kind of see that here I tapped out. So the test was actually not already done, but it still took 27 minutes and 19 seconds, and it would have taken maybe about 35 or 33 minutes down. Now, in the activity detail, we cannot see the result, but we can see it in the wellness portion. So in this case, in the wellness passport, we go on wellness age, which I recently activated, and under cardio, we can see that now my VO2 max is 59. Before it was 52.2 with an elliptical test. And before I did another test on a Technogym bike, which was kind of faulty, I assume. I also took a picture at the end. So the Technogym device was called the Run Excite Live, I think. And it was a maximal test. We can see the similar stats, and what we also can see on the next screen is the resulting relative VO2 max of 59.0 milliliters per kilogram per minute.